welcome to the vlog. I hope that you're having a good day. My name is Mariela Anya Soriño, but you can call me Anya. I am 17 years old and a grade 12 STEM student from Notre Dame of the Diangas University. So today I will be making a 3D model of the bacterial cell as a part of my performance task for my General Biology 1 class in school. So let's get started! So here are the materials that we are going to use for this performance task. We have the cartolina, glue gun and glue stick, yarn, foam sheet, scissors, glue, fuzzy wires, and of course our carton. By the way, I also added some beads which are unfortunately not shown in this clip. Of course, the first part of our bacterial cell making is making the base of our bacterial cell. This is me cutting the malchus carton into the shape of the bacterial cell. In this part, I am tracing and cutting out the cell wall of the bacterial cell. Later on, I will also paint it into a specific color. Since this is a 3D diorama, something has to protrude. In doing so, I am just using the foam sheet. I'm just cutting out the foam sheet, tracing it, and fitting it into the size of the bacterial cell. While my glue gun is heating up, I'm just painting the cell wall color red. At this point, I am assembling or putting the foam sheets all together, and I'm pasting it also into the base of the bacterial cell. I'm also using a green cartolina for the base and also the sides or the capsule of the bacterial cell. I'm using semi-precise measurement and just putting them all together. The cytoplasm takes up a good portion of the cell. That is why I am painting the cell color yellow using poster paint. I just let it dry for a while and I'm trying to glue or sticking together the cell wall into my cell. I am adding fuzzy wires, color black fuzzy wires for the plasma membrane and the pili, whatever you may want to call it, of the cell. And also some purple yarn for the nucleoid region and orange beads for the ribosomes. I will also place some gold fuzzy wires for the plasmids and also the flagellum of the cell. I will also do some minor changes like painting it and doing some minor changes to the cell. And there you have it. This is the 3D bacterial cell model without the base. Hi guys, so honestly, I'm really proud of my work because I did not spend a single peso on it because all of the materials are leftovers from my previous projects from junior high school or even in elementary. And I think that with the limited number of resources, I was able to pull it off. It was decent, so I will explain the different parts of the bacterial cell tomorrow. See ya! Hello to all! Today I'm going to show to you the different functions of the different parts of the bacterial cell. This is my 3D cell diorama of my bacterial cell when placed in a 30 cm by 60 cm corkboard. This corkboard is also recycled because I already have it in my room and I recycled it for the purpose of this performance task. Bacterial cells are prokaryotic cells, which means that they lack membrane-bound nucleus. They are also single-celled. Examples of bacteria are Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. These are the different parts of the bacterial cell. We have the cell wall. This is the cell wall, the red structure over here. The bacterial cell wall is often considered as a target for antibiotic treatment. It is permeable to solutes and provides the cell rigidity and strength. The second part is the capsule. The capsule covers outside of the cell wall. It is a hydrated polysaccharide structure that provides food reserves when certain organic compounds are in excess. It also aids in attachment to surfaces and protects the cell from chemicals. We also have the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is this black structure over here. The plasma membrane is considered as the most important organelle since it controls the movement of substances. It is selectively permeable, which means that it only allows certain substances to pass through. It is composed of more or less 40% phospholipid and 60% protein. We also have the nucleoid or the DNA. This is the nucleoid or the DNA, the purple structures. As we know, prokaryotic cells, including bacterial cells, lack a membrane-bound nucleus. The genetic material or DNA of the bacterial cells are located in an area of the cytoplasm known as the nucleoid. We also have the ribosomes. The ribosomes are these cute little dots. These are the small dots or studs that help in the protein synthesis. The cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is this yellow structure. It is a gel-like matrix mostly composed of 80% water. It is also made up of enzymes, nutrients, wastes, and gases. This is where the molecules first pass through after entering or before exiting the cell membrane. It also helps in cellular growth and storehouses all the contents of the bacterial cell. These are the pili, little cute black parts. These are shorter than the flagella. These are considered to be organelles of adhesion since they help fix bacteria to surfaces. Of course, let us not forget about the plasmids. These are the plasmids. These are small double-stranded DNA which are circular in nature. They can replicate independently and they also aid in the bacterial cell's DNA exchange. We also have the flagellum. This is the flagellum. Flagellum is an appendage responsible for the locomotion of the cell, and it moves in a whip-like manner. I hope that you enjoyed and I hope that you learned something from this video. So, this has been Anya Soriño and until next time, goodbye! See ya!